Need my pen. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. Noob. So I'm on this distro.com checking out some more distros, just seeing what's out there. I wanted to try this one. A buddy of mine was there it goes. Oh, did I mess up? There it goes. He said he downloaded this one and put it on a Raspberry Pi, I think. And said it was working pretty good. I guess it's like similar to well, he said that he was running Arch Linux, and that's what he uses on his main computer. But he downloaded this one on a laptop or something like that. So I just wanted to check it out to see what it was all about. Let's see. It looks kind of familiar to Linux Mint, to be honest with you. I don't know what desktop environment we're using here. It just said desktop when I started it. It looks very similar to Linux Mint, honestly. Let's see if we can get let's see if we can open up a terminal here. Let me open this up really quick. I need to move some stuff around here. Let's see. Move that there. Man, my mouse is really acting funny. I need to get a new mouse and keyboard. These old things I'm using right now are pretty hard. Let's see. Let's try. I'm sure there's probably a shorter way. KDE. I don't know. What am I running on this? Guess underscore current. Oh, it's just cinnamon. I forgot. So I wonder. That's a pretty clean layout, honestly. That's kind of like how I like my desktop, like really clean, not a whole lot of stuff on there. I'm just curious. Let's see. What can you do? You probably can't do that. Nah. What other things can you do on here? Let's see. Let me see if they have a website really quick. I'm sure they do. What is it called? Cache? Let me go to their website. Let's see. Here, I'll just bring up their website over here. It'll probably time me out. I think I spelled it wrong. Let's see here. Cashy OS is designed to deliver lightning fast speeds and stability, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable computer experience every time you use it, whether you're a seasoned Linux user or just starting out. Cashy OS is ideal choice for those looking for a powerful, customizable, and blazing fast operating system. Do, 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 do. Okay, here we go. Cashy OS offers a variety of popular desktop environments. KD Plasma, wow, okay. GNOME, XFCE. Oh, they actually have a cinnamon version. That's kind of like what I'm used to. Let's see. They didn't have that version to look at. I don't know. I don't really know if there's any major differences. It gives you a lot of options though, which is good. It definitely gives you a lot of options. Let's see something here. I do like the way it's the layout though. Let me see something here. What is this? Okay. Close that. Let's check out the settings. Let's go into system settings and see what they let us play around with. Oh, that's kind of nice. Let's see. Okay, animation speed. Let's see what kind of wallpapers they give you. That's it. Let's see. I don't know. This guy that I was watching a video on, he recently switched over to this, I guess. And he was saying how much he liked it, and he was a long time user of Arch. I'm not sure why he switched. I'm not sure what. Oh, I think he was actually having issues with his. What did he say? Something to do with his sound issue. He was having sound issues with everything essentially, and he could not get them resolved. And then he switched over to this one. And I'm kind of curious. Let me go back really quick and see if they have another desktop version. Let's go to KDE and see what that looks like on here. I'm kind of curious. I know there's more options, but it looks like they only have 4 options on this website to test out. Let's see what happens. It's kind of laggy because I'm running, whenever I run OBS, my computer gets a little laggy. All right, let's see what this one looks like opposed to the other one. I don't know what environment. Oh, what did I say the environment was? I can't remember now. I think the one I selected right here is KDE. Let's see. It's a little laggy, but that's probably my computer, not theirs. It could be that a lot of people are online right now trying to check it out, so. Okay. Okay, so that must have been KDE that I was looking at before. Let's check it out real quick. Let's get to the terminal. Let's go to terminal here. And what do I need to put on here? I wish I knew another console command that was shorter. I'm not having to type this all out. KDE, okay. So let's go. They didn't have the plasma version. I don't really care. I used what OS did I try out that has the plasma? I think it might have been Kubuntu. I think I tried out the plasma one on that and it did okay. It looked really nice though. It's just I don't think it was the best choice for the computer I was using. Which one did I pick here? Gnome. All right, continue. It is, see, it says right there when it's loading, it says Arch. So this is definitely built off Arch. No doubt about it. Because it set it right into boot up. Let's see here. You know. This one's a little bit slower, it seems like. I think there's more people trying it out. Okay. This was Gnome, I think. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna have to save that one. Let me see something here. Oh, that looks way different. I don't like that. That's the one that I don't like. I don't like the one when it has this on here. I don't like that. I don't know why. All right. Yeah, that's the one I don't like. I'm not a big fan of that. Oh no. I know a lot of people are because a lot of my buddies that I see using it, but I'm more yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. All right, let me get out of here really quick. I'm gonna bookmark this though and save it. because that's a new one to me. Let's go to let's bookmark this under distros. I wouldn't mind seeing the cinnamon version of it though. Let's see. It's too bad they don't have it on here. That's unfortunate. I would really like to see the cinnamon version of it. Okay, there was a program I needed to download really quick. Or an app. Not sure. I don't know. We'll go back to that. I need to go back there to YouTube. Let's go back into settings and see if I can find that toolbar. I need to have my bookmarks, like that bookmark toolbar up there. And I can't remember. I set it up before, but apparently I disabled it somehow. Okay, it's not there. Gosh, I thought it would be under general. I'm missing it somewhere. Browser layout, horizontal, got that. Show sidebar. Okay, I want that on. Where's the one for the toolbar though? I know I've seen it on here before. I know it's on here for a fact because I've used it in one of my other browsers. Could it be under extensions and things? No, it wouldn't be there. Those are pretty cool looking. Oh, excuse me. It's not under extensions. Let's go back. Man, where the heck is it? There's nothing for toolbar. Search. Let's go to. Maybe I need to just right click up here. Toolbar. There we go. Always show. Yay! Figured it out. All right. About time. All right. Let's go. And then if we open a new tab. It didn't take me to their homepage though. I wonder why. Let's go to YouTube. And there was a video on here that I wanted to check out. A Linux video. I wrote it down. Let's see. There was one other thing I wanted to do first, though. Didn't need that. Yikes, there's a lot. Oh my my gosh, this is going on for a mile. Let's go all the way to the top. All right. That is exactly what I was looking for. Let's get back to that's one thing I wanted to see really quick. All right. I wanted to see how much computing power that OBS. Yeah, OBS is all over the place, using a lot of resources. Yeah, a lot of those processes are OBS right now. That's why I get kind of. It's not terrible. It's not terrible, but things just aren't snappy. Sometimes my browser is a little bit wacky. I would call it more sluggish than anything. Oh gosh, I can't find this video. Let me go back to that's the computer science one. There was another one that was very specific. Where is it? There's the Python programming course, 15 hours. Looks like somebody's reposted it. There's another one on here. I've watched that one. The MIT one. Well, that's pretty good. They kind of lost me though. It went kind of fast. All right, let's get out of this. I want to go back. Alma Linux 10. wonder what's different about this one. It looks just like it looks just like the cashew one. Kings. Let me see. Okay, that's not an issue. What's big Linux? Okay. It says that it's a Brazilian Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. It features a user-friendly interface that includes a variety of pre-installed applications. Um, there it goes. While it loads up, I'm gonna grab my soda. Oh, check this out. Let's see. Choose your appearance. I don't care. That's interesting. Desktop wallpaper. Yeah, it's the same old thing. Up, down, left, right. A, B. A, B. Shift R. Shift R. Hey, what happened? The hell? My arrow keys aren't working right. My arrow keys are working backwards. What the hell? They got the arrow keys set up backwards. That's all jacked up. Let's see. Let's see what else they got on here. What? Is there any sound to these games? There we go. That's what I sound. It's trying to have sound. Oh, it does it every time. Oh. Shift. This is horrible. This is horrible. Let's see. I can't even hardly see it. So bad. Alright, let me get out of this. This is horrible. Let's see what else they got. Ace of aces. Oh man, how do you get this off? Darn it. How do you get that off my screen? Shoot. Alright. That's not what let's go back. Oh my gosh. All these ads. It's too sweet. What's the number one? Tetris? Let's see. Carmageddon. That's awesome. The top 100. Castlevania was a really popular one. Outrun. Wait a minute. That's annoying. Okay. Oh wow, they had 3. S. Oh shoot. Oh no, get back. We're spinning out. Man, I'm just hitting everything. Come on, we can do this. Dang. I wonder what year this game came out. Oh. Let's see here. Let's go to consoles. Let's see what some of the newer ones they had. I guess the Nintendo 64 would have been the newest. Screen resolution was 640 by 480. That was the highest. Best-selling game was Super Mario. Let's see if we got Super Mario on here. Oh, that was like the 3D one. I didn't like that one. I like the old school one. That's Mario 64, I guess. Let me get back to console. This was the Mario that I liked. That was back on the best-selling game, 40 million copies. If you want, you can play directly on the Nintendo website. All right. Oh. SimCity. Dangerous Date. Why does that sound familiar? What was that all about? That was a DOS game. Wonder if they have any old PC games on here. Command and Conquer. Wow, I remember that. That was a PC game. That was an epic game back then. That was something else. Oh well. Well, I have got to get to work, but I will be back on later tonight. Hope everybody has a great day, and I will catch you in a few hours.